This is Sean with Gate City Foundation Drainage. We're on a job today in Pafftown. So this is a YouTuber who actually saw me on YouTube and contacted me there. So this is a little bit out of our service area, but we are going to get this job done. So let me show you what's going on here. This gutter right here is emptying and there's nowhere for the water to go. There's a bunch of water that hangs under this deck and that washes down from up here and washes down across here. This gutter as well is not really doing anything. And so for this side of the job, we're going to catch this gutter here and pipe it across here. We're going to go under these bricks and around the shrubs here. We're going to go under the sidewalk and then down over by the mailbox out there. For the other side, we're going to catch this gutter and we're going to catch this gutter and then these two gutters here and pipe them across and out to the front. Oh, we're also going to put a 10-foot channel drain in here. So we're also going to do a channel drain across here. So that's what we're working on today. It's a real big project for sure. This auger bit is from customaugers.com, and here you see me adding a second piece to it. So you core with the first auger bit and then you add the second piece to it to lengthen it, and then you don't have to have a huge trench to get under there. Thank you.
Sir, we'll put the camera back on top of the blue case.
Yep. We are making a little bit of progress here. Take a look at this gutter downspout. It's all formed around the steps here. And so what we're going to do is we just stubbed out right here. And so we're going to have the gutter guy reposition this downspout instead of trying to cut through all the deck and everything. So we're just heading on down the way over here. Alright, we are rocking and rolling on this side of the house. We're already under the sidewalk too, so it's just a straight run right down to the mailbox in the outfall. We're making pretty good progress on this job. I'm just working on this channel drain here. So I got it trenched out. I like the way the channel fits, and they sell these different adapters here. So that's an end piece there, and that will go on the end here. And then this is the outlet, and I have to have this little fitting here. This is a schedule 30 to schedule 40 adapter. So that'll go on there just like that, and then that'll get us to our schedule 40, and we'll be heading on down the way. There is the channel drain. I packed all this dirt really, really well, because if you don't pack it, the first time it rains, the whole channel drain will just fill up with dirt. So try to get that stabilized really well, and just got the tape pulled off of it. So that should provide a place for the water that's running down here to go. I knew we were going to be trenching near these larger trees, and so even though this job was quite a ways out of town, I still brought the mini excavator over here. And this thing makes it so much easier to go through roots. So even though it was a huge pain to carry this thing and unhook it and hook it back up, just for a short section, it really, really saved a ton in labor just to be able to blast through these roots in this one section.
See, we caught that, and now we're coming into this one.
Let's cover a little bit if we can.
And it's the Ronald!
We are making pretty good progress here. So we got this gutter caught. We got the channel drain in, and we're now just about to turn this corner. We got this gutter in, and we're heading on down the way. We got one more or two more gutters after this.
Okay, Jeremy, come on. Easy. Good. Good.
We are finished with this job, so let's take a look. Starting here at the channel drain, we put this in. There was a lot of water that came across here and would just go like right under the deck right there. This gutter was just kind of draining right here, so we got that one caught. We got this one caught as well. And we're just running along here. We got this one caught. This is also going to really help the neighbor out over here because all this water would just like wash into his yard. So we're going on down the way here. I brought the reason I brought the excavator was for this stretch right here with these roots. And so, boy, having that excavator makes a lot less labor. We caught that gutter right there, across here. And we got this huge run down to the street. So we used over 400 feet of pipe today. And current prices are about $275 a foot for 4-inch PVC. And we've got our outfall over here. The homeowner really wanted to come out to the curb, but the way it flattens out right here, it just wasn't a good idea. So Ronald worked hard on getting this really nice here with these rocks. Over here, we could have come to the curb here by the mailbox, but I didn't want the pipe to be getting run over by the mail truck. So we stopped it back there. The homeowner can do some more of these monkey grass and try to hide the pipe a little bit, but there's the outfall there. So on this side, we just caught 2 gutters here, but these were both big offenders. So we came underneath the sidewalk right here, along these bushes. We caught that gutter there. We came under the bricks right there, so we got those put back. And this was another big offender here with the crawl space flooding, because it was just dumping right here and there was nowhere to go. So the problem we had here was all this nice woodwork. Our pipe wouldn't fit in there, and you've got this support piece right here. So we ended up putting the pipe here. We centered it on this piece of trim here, so if the homeowner does want to reposition that downspout, they can. This is kind of like a temporary fix here, but this will last quite a while, so the homeowner can get that downspout repositioned at his convenience. So this was a cool project. It was a big project, and we got it done. It is about 5 o'clock right now, so we're just getting things cleaned up and seeded and strawed. Because this job was quite a ways out of town, the homeowner was nice enough to send me some footage during the rain here. And so he just got a couple of short clips, but he said that the system's working really, really well for taking care of that water under his deck.